When you hear the word American, what comes to your mind first?
To be honest, I see American people as they are the coolest. I just don't know. I see them as coolest one.
It's normal to us that Americans is white. Most likely, when we see Americans, they have a different color. Yeah, more in the Philippines, I can say that our beauty standards as well is portrayed by being white.
Do you know how Native Americans look like? What is your name and how old are you?
So hello, I'm Angel. I'm 20 years old.
When you hear the word American, what comes to your mind first?
To be honest, I see American people as they are the coolest. I just don't know. I see them as coolest one.
So when you hear the word American, you think about cool people.
Yes.
Do you usually picture Americans as white people only or different races as well?
No, I see Americans as both white and black people. Hmm.
Only white and black?
For me, since I don't have the broad knowledge about the races when it comes to American, the knowledge I have is only with the white and black people.
Did you know United States of America is a mix of many ethnicities like Asian, Black, Latino, and more. So it's not just white and black. It could be Asian, Latino, like those. Why do you think many people around the world often imagine Americans as only white?
Maybe because the stereotypes that we are given to people, especially when we hear the term Americans, we commonly pictures it as only the white peoples. Especially it could be with the influence of the social medias, the TV shows. We commonly see Americans as only white people.
If you could describe real American in one sentence after learning this, what would you say?
I can say that American is actually a mixed race of different ethnicity, of different culture.
I have a question and I want you to be very very honest. Let's say you have a friend and your friend told you, "I'm in a relationship with a foreigner." Do you ever thought of like, "Oh, she's in a relationship with a foreigner. He's probably a white guy."
Yeah. Maybe because here in the Philippines, we have the stereotypes that whenever we hear the term foreigner, the first thing comes to our mind is they are white people.
Why is that?
It's just that that's the stereotype or nakasanayan here in the Philippines.
That's what we're used to, nakasanayan. That when we hear the word foreigner means white guys, white people. Okay. Wow. Do you think up to now, to these days, a lot of Filipinos still have that kind of mindset?
Well, given that we are innovating the knowledge, the education here are innovating, I don't think so since there were lots of possible factors or possible sources of where we can gain knowledge. So I don't think so.
So we can see now, especially through social media, right? Like we're getting the knowledge little by little that okay, Americans, they're not only white people, they're mixed ethnicities. Still in college?
Yeah, I am second year.
Second year, what are you studying?
AV psychology.
What is your name and how old are you?
Madeline po, 20.
When you hear the word American, what comes to your mind first?
When I hear American, I think a foreign,
Do you usually picture Americans as white people only or different races as well?
different races as well.
So you have an idea that USA is a mix of many ethnicities. Can you give us an example?
Um, the Asians, Black Americans, and a lot of foreign.
A lot of more ethnicities. Okay. Why do you think many people around the world often imagine Americans as only white?
I think because of their colors. Yes, and I think it's normal to us that Americans is white.
Why do you think it's normal to people
Um,
to think that USA is only white people?
because they born with it, I think.
They're born with it.
Yeah, the color.
I have a question. Do you know how Native Americans look like?
Yes.
How do they look like?
White people and tall, big, big people. I think.
So that's the reason why you think a lot of people often think that um, USA is white people only.
I think so.
You still in studying, Ben?
Yes po.
What are you studying?
Yung ano po, HM students po.
Okay, what year are you now?
Second year. Incoming third year.
Do you have a boyfriend or single?
Single.
How long have you been single?
1.5 year, I guess.
What is your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Sheen, 26 years old.
Shane this is her second time here. So welcome back. Welcome back, Ben. Okay, the very first question is when you hear the word American, what comes to your mind first?
A different culture.
Do you usually picture Americans as white people only or different races as well?
I think it's a different races or a different because when we talk about Americans, it's more likely introducing not only the white people but also the black people. They're native way back before the Cold War, I believe. They do have a vast culture that up until today, even the Filipinos do uphold or has its qualities or characteristics as well.
Why do you think many people around the world often imagine Americans as only white?
I actually don't have an idea about that, but I think it's most likely how people picture it. Like when we talk about Americans, oh, they're white, but not in a way or in a sense that it's because they are white, but it's because they are more often seen as white. If you get my point, sorry, if you know what I mean. But yeah, most likely when we see Americans, they have a different color. Yeah, more in the Philippines, I can say that our beauty standards as well is portrayed by being white. So maybe that's the reason why most Filipinos think that Americans are white. So they focus not on the ethnicity, not on the culture, but their skin color because it matters. So yeah.
Okay. If you could describe real American in one sentence after learning this, I mean, it's not, you know about this a long time ago, right? This is not the first time that you found out that United States of America is a mix of many ethnicities. But, okay, describe real American in one sentence. What would you say?
They are happy people. I think because they pursue happiness more. They actually go into different places, accept people for who they are. They just wanted experience. They wanted to know about more in life. And I think that's I also what I aspire to be. However, I don't have enough money for that. But yeah, I hope so one day I do have that kind of, attitude wherein you wanted to just be happy, to explore, to adventure, yeah, and all other things related to that matter.
Is still studying, right, Pam?
Yeah, up until today.
Okay. You might be wondering why she sounds very smart, like she can express herself. It's because she's studying to become a lawyer. I remember her the very first time. I was like, wow. So that explains why she's very smart. She's what year are you now, Be?
I'm on my second year irregular.
Why is that?
I don't know. I'm having a trouble when it comes to focusing on my studies and my work. So juggling both of different worlds is really difficult. So yeah, I hope to finish law in 2 years. Yeah.
That's very soon. 2 years. It's one day you're gonna be like, wow, done. I'm done. Okay. In a relationships, what? Do you have boyfriend?
No, I am no longer in a relationship.
How long have you been single?
I don't know for how many months already. Yeah.
Okay. Would you ever date a foreigner?
Yeah, if the opportunity would come, so why would I not engage into that kind of opportunity? So yeah.
Well, anyway, thank you so much. We will really appreciate your honesty and your time. Her friend is waiting. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thanks for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection